How to create a full-width section of a background image in split containers. Elementor is a popular WordPress page builder that allows you to design websites using a visual interface, making it easier for users without coding skills. Here's a step-by-step guide on creating a full-width section with a background image in split containers using Elementor. First, add a 2-column layout from the Layout options. Go to the parent container. Set the padding to 0. Go to the Layout tab and set the content width to full width. Add a gap for the columns. I'll set it to 20. Then, for the inner container, set each padding to 0 as well. I will add text widget to the first column. Justify the content into the center. Then, go to the Advanced tab. And then add 20 for the top. 0 for the right. 20 for bottom, then 100 for the left. In the second column, go to the Style tab. Set background to classic. Choose an image. Set the image size. Then, position it to center. Choose cover in the display size. Let's adjust the height of the image. Now, click Save Draft. Then, preview it to see the changes. That's all. Thank you for watching.